Good day, Mandela fans. Another day, another Mandela effect. And today we're gonna talk about animal Mandela effect. Let's get started. First is the bat. Do you ever remember bats being blind? In my reality, bats are blind and they use their sounds to navigate through every direction they go. But apparently, in this reality, bats are actually not blind. They have this eyes that is very sensitive to light. So at night they can see better, but in the morning they have a very they can see, but it's hard for them to open their eyes because of their eye sensitivity. So what do you remember, guys? For me, I always remember bats being blind. Okay, let's go to the next one. So, in my reality, when ostrich are afraid or threatened, they put their heads and bury underneath the ground. But apparently, in this reality, that is no longer the case. So let's go to the next animal Mandela effect. So do you remember a horse having a rectangular pupil or even grow mustache or beard? Well, look at the eyes. It's just like a frog's eyes. This is very new to me. Let's go to the next animal Mandela effect. Well, hippos apparently have a very sharp teeth at their lower jaw. Well, I don't remember this at all. I'll show you a picture of what I remember about hippos. This is the picture I remember. Their teeth, their upper and lower teeth always have the same set of tooth, and they are always rounded, not very sharp like the one in the picture. This is very strange to me too. Let's go to the next one. Apparently, in this reality, camel doesn't store water at their back. It's actually fats that they eventually digest into their body so they can stand the heat wave of the desert. Okay, let's go to the next animal Mandela effect. So, ever remember apes pounding their chests with open hand? Well, this has been changed already by Mandela effect because apparently in this reality, apes pound their chests open-handed, not the closed one. I'll show you a picture of what I remember. This is what I remember, and I believe most of us remember the Planet of the Apes, or yeah, I remember King Kong was pounding his chest with his closed fist. Okay, let's go to the next animal Mandela effect. Well, did you see anything wrong with the picture? Yes. Elephants have big breasts just like humans. For me, it never really happened in my reality. This is very, very weird to me. Seeing this is like seeing a human breast, and it's kind of scary to look at. Okay, let's go to the next Mandela effect. Well, in this reality, killer whales have a very common pattern at their back, and this is the pattern that all whales have. Do you even remember this? For me, it's always an abstract pattern, and I don't remember them having a consistent pattern at the back. Let's go to the next one. So in this reality, crocodiles can climb trees and also eat vegetables and fruits. So let's try to Google this one. So here we have a crocodile climbing trees. In the title here, it says, "So it turns out crocodiles can climb trees." So apparently this seems to be new to them, and it's very weird. And do crocodiles eat fruits and vegetables? Well, apparently they do in this reality. They didn't only eat meat, but they also eat fruits and seeds. Kind of weird, really. Let's go back to the slides. And this is the last one. In this reality, apparently, snakes and lizard has two pennies. Well, let's search the Google for this one. So, looking here, there's a funny thing here because apparently there is a snake called penny snake that looks like just like a snake, a penis. And of course, let's see if the rumor is true that snake has two pennies. Let's type in the Google here. So apparently they have two pennies, or even three. So weird, right? Okay. So upon searching the internet, I found out that some other people already have documented this Mandela effect, and here are some of it. It says Mandela effect animals, and you can see a lot of strange creature in this reality. And I think if you're very interested, you can, and I think you can try to look up the internet for yourself, because this is too many. I cannot mention everything here, and I must say that it's really, really bizarre that just like geographical change in Mandela, the animals also got affected in a big way. So I also found a channel here, Mandela Effect Animals, where this channel documented a lot of changes happening in animal world. And just take a look at this channel so you will understand. Okay, I think that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll just leave the link below for you to check out. So thanks for watching again. Like and subscribe. Until the next Mandela Effect. Good day.